y'all, today we are going to be working on the front porch. I am just a few weeks past my surgery, so I'm still recovering. So you'll see Jeff doing a lot of the lifting and moving and such for me, and myself doing smaller projects and giving directions. But I'm doing really good. I'm just still have a lot of restrictions. The front porch has kind of been more neglected this winter. I think that this winter ended up being pretty cold and a really weird winter. It's very dry winter as well. But we didn't really spend much time out on the front porch. And so the front porch is kind of a hot mess, but I'm going to take you guys through a quick tour of it and then get to work on some projects and show you what the final result is. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know what work you're doing on your spring porch. Okay, I have some planters that are already done. It's kind of just a hot mess in here. I pulled down all the Christmas and winter decor, and then that was it. I have just some stuff over here that's getting picked up by neighbors. I have some plant stands right here that I'm gonna give a nice fresh coat of paint. I found these window frames on the side of the road, and I picked them up because I thought they might be really great for an installation on this wall. So I'm gonna be messing around with that. These chairs are gonna have a new home at my parents' house along with the little table. I will say I do think my spring planters are doing really well. Look at that petunia, just gorgeous. Everything's looking really good. The stalk is getting to its end of life. It's still pretty, but yeah, it probably needs to be trimmed back a little bit. Stalk does not rebloom. It is not a cut and come again flower. Over on this side, the petunia is like taken over the whole plant. It looks really great. Nice, fluffy, beautiful, ornamental. Kale looks really good. I am going to be doing a lot of my focus around these two pillows that my friend Michelle dropped off and made for me. And I really like the pink colors, and so that is going to be included. But let me show you the first project I'm going to be working on. It's over here. So I picked up this table and chairs off of Facebook Marketplace for $20 for all of them. And they are like a wrought iron metal. I don't think they're vintage in any type of way. There is some rust that I'm gonna kind of use a wire brush to scrub off. And then I'm gonna give them a coat of spray paint. And my dad took me to Home Depot the other day because I still can't drive after my surgery, but I ended up picking up this Rust-Oleum textured black finish, works on metal. I thought that that would be really nice. These chairs, while they're gonna be outside, they are gonna be under cover of the porch, so they're not gonna get rained on or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a coat of paint on both of these. I'm gonna start by flipping my furniture all upside down and painting one of my favorite YouTubers. Her channel is called Desert DIY, and she refinishes furniture. She always starts by turning all of her furniture upside down to apply the first coat of paint, and then she flips them all right side up to apply the last coat of paint. And I just think it's so clever. So let's get started on that. Okay, so we're all done. This ended up going over multiple weeks, just because I would work on it and then I would rest, I would work on it some more and I'd rest some more. So anyway, let's do a tour of all of it and show you guys how it turned out. So the front of the garden has a lot of pinks. It actually has a lot of purples that are coming into bloom, and I think that ties in really nice. Coming up here, the begonias, that's the begonia planter that I planted. And then the impatiens up here. I ended up picking up this runner from At Home, which is a decorating company in this area. I have my bench as usual. Y'all know I keep it for everything. Oh, y'all don't care about the, let me move that, thank you. Okay, I picked up a couple of pillows from Home Goods. Now this is my trick, y'all. I leave my tags on all my new stuff for a couple of weeks and make sure that I really like it before I commit taking the tags off. So I picked up these pillows. I picked up these pillows because I thought the colors tied in well to the runner, but then they also tied in really well to those two pillows that my friend Michelle made that are on the other side of the patio, which I'll show you later. Now, I also picked up this arrangement of lanterns. I'm not truly convinced on the lanterns. You guys let me know what you think. I think they're fun and quirky and cute. I don't know if they're needed. I don't know if it just clutters up the space. So we might remove those. So I'm gonna leave the tags on them for now till I make my decision. I hung up the two windows on the space. I think they look great. As a reminder, I found these on the side of the road. I think they're really fun and they fill the space really well and they go with the whole vibe. I think is really nice. Just look at those colors. Oh, the impatiens are so pretty. This is my gather rug that I always have. And then I also added this faux boxwood wreath right here. And it is from At Home too. I really like it because I think I can utilize it for multiple seasons. And I like the pop green to tie back into the garden. Okay, so let me go this direction for you guys. Now, over here, this is one of the pieces I repainted. Remember, I repainted the bistro set here, but I also repainted this piece and this piece, these plant stands. Put a couple of new bust pots on there, which I'll be filling up in a future video. A couple of house plants that have been replanted, a lemon cypress and a pothos, to come out here. They will get mostly shade, but a lot of like ambient sun kind of bouncing around here. And then I love the bistro set. I think it's so fun. Look at the tiered planter. Just, oh, so stinking cute with the sweet pillows. I think it turned out just so fun, fresh and vibrant. I was actually just looking at some of this today. Got a lot of cabbage worms that are chowing down over here, so I just treated that with some insecticidal soap. Take those guys out. That was literally 2 days ago. These were fine. Yeah, good times. So anyway, treated those. The stalk's almost done, so I'll probably trim it or replace it with something else later, but let me give you a view from the yard. Look how great that looks, y'all. Fresh, happy. I love the look of it. So fun. It's gonna be great waiting for my kids from their activities, hanging out here with my husband, having a beer at the end of the day. Love it. Just really fun, vibrant, beautiful. I'm very happy with how the porch turned out this season. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm thrilled with how the spring porch turned out. Let me know your thoughts on the lanterns, if I should keep those or let those go. I'm leaning towards letting them go just because I would regain like $40, which would be great. And I don't know if they're necessary in the space, but you let me know. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment below. And I hope you guys enjoyed all of this. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.